Morning, it's a mild start and a mild day ahead. We've got bands of rain moving north and east. Behind them, some sunshine and some heavy showers in the west. I'll have all the details in 10 minutes. Good morning. Today we're looking at a mild start and a mild day ahead. There will be some rain in the forecast, there'll be some sunshine and also some showers and blustery winds. We've got the lot and I'll bring it to you in 10 minutes. Morning everyone. Normilu, can you imagine the mess? Dust everywhere. Now this morning we are looking at a mild start to the day. In fact, it's going to be fairly mild as we go through the day for the time of year. Also windy through the Irish Sea and across the north of Scotland. And there's some rain in the forecast as well as some sunshine. The rain continuing to push into the North Sea, moving away from England. The rain continuing to move northwards across Scotland. Here too, blustery, gusty winds. And then we're looking at a packet of showers coming into western areas. Some of those could be heavy and also thundery and windy through the Irish Sea, gusting to gale force at times. Few showers across central parts of the UK, but apart from that, it will be dry and there'll be some bright or sunny skies with temperatures ranging from 9 in Lerwick to 19 in London. Now through this evening and overnight, we carry on with those showers coming in from the west, moving northwards. Still some rain across the far north of Scotland and still blustery winds, easing for a time, then picking up. And then you can see this next batch of rain coming in across southern and southeastern areas. It's going to be a mild night across the board. This batch of rain is what's left of Storm Barbara, named by the Spanish Met Service. It will bring heavy rain and very windy conditions across Spain and France. We'll see the tail end of it move across southern and southeastern parts of the UK as we go through tomorrow. But there is a chance we could have very strong winds through the English Channel and the southeast, something I'll keep you posted on, with further showers across the north and the west. Dan and Lou. Good morning. That's a good description, Lou. Yes, today we've got rain, we've got some showers, we've got some sunshine, and it's also quite windy, particularly so through the Irish Sea and the north of Scotland, where we could have gusts up to gale force. Now, the rain across England now pushing off into the North Sea, leaving behind it sun. Few showers across central areas. The rain's continuing to move northwards across Scotland. Don't forget, windy here and windy through the Irish Sea. And then we look at the showers, a good packet of showers across Northern Ireland, parts of northwest England, also southern and central Scotland. And some of those could not just be heavy, but also thundery. Temperatures today ranging from 9 to 19 degrees, so fairly mild for most of us for the time of year. Now through this evening and overnight, we hang on to the rain across northern Scotland. The winds will ease for a time. Western areas, and then this next band of rain moves across the Channel Islands and in across southern and some southeastern parts of England. Temperature wise, well on the mild side, not falling away too much. So this is the area of low pressure. It's named by the Spanish Met Service as Storm Barbara. It's going to bring heavy rain across Spain and France, and it's going to clip us as it moves northeastwards, taking with it some rain and potentially some very strong winds across the English Channel and the southeast. Ahead of it, some showers, but in between some sunshine and still relatively mild. Back to you two. Good morning. It's going to be a mild day ahead today, following on from a mild start, but there is rain in the forecast, there's some showers, there's also some sunshine and gusty winds. I'll have the lot in 10 minutes. Morning everybody. Now we've got a lot going on with the weather today, so I'm going to crack on. First of all, it's a mild start. That's going to lead us into an unseasonably mild day. It's also pretty windy, especially across the Irish Sea and also the north of Scotland, and there is rain for some. Now you can see in the satellite picture this great big curl of cloud. This is rain-bearing cloud. It's all circulating around an area of low pressure, and already we're starting to lose the rain from eastern England. But the wind is coming up from a southerly direction, so note the colours. We've got yellows and we've got ambers on the charts, indicating it's going to be mild not just today, but tonight and tomorrow. Excuse me. So we say goodbye to the rain in eastern England. The rain in Scotland migrates northwards. There'll be some sunshine, some of it hazy, and then we've got all these showers rotating around that area of low pressure. Some of them will be heavy and potentially thundery across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland and northwest England. Look at those temperatures, 8 to 19 degrees. The average in London at this time of year is about 15 or 16. The showers continue in the north and the west, as indeed does the wind. It will ease for a time and pick up later. And then we'll watch well as the Channel Islands. It's also going to be a mild night, temperatures falling between about 8 and 14 degrees. So tomorrow, here we've got this rain moving northeastwards. There is a chance that on its southern flank through the English Channel in the southeast, we could have very strong gusts of wind. It's the remnants of a storm named by the Spanish Met Service, named Storm Barbara. And in the northwest, we continue with the showers, but in between something drier and brighter and still relatively mild. Dan and Lou. This gives a really big clue. Good morning, everybody. It's wet for some of us already this morning. Beautiful picture sent in from Ireland, from Matt. And you can also see across many areas we are going to have some rain or some showers today, but it's going to be mild. The other feature of the weather is the wind. But if we start off in the mild note, we've got a southerly wind coming in, and that's dragging in all this warmer air from the near continent, and indeed temperatures will be above average for the time of year. Now, we've said goodbye to the rain across the southeast. Behind it, a lot of dry weather, some sunshine, some showers getting in through Wales, but more persistent rain is going to move up across Northern Ireland and then later get into southern and central Scotland. There'll be some showers across some central parts of England as well, and the rain landing across the far north of Scotland. Here too, it's going to be windy, as it is through the Irish Sea, but it's going to be mild. Look at those temperatures, 8 or 9 in Lerwick to 19 as we sweep down towards London. Now, through this evening and overnight, we continue on a windy note for a time. The wind eases and then it picks up again. We continue with some showers too in the north and also the west. And I want to draw your eyes to this. Some rain coming across the Channel Islands, in across southern and southeastern parts of England. Temperatures, most of us staying in double figures, so a mild night. So if we pick up this rain, it's going to move steadily towards the northeast. This rain could be heavy. There's a potential for some very strong winds in the English Channel, parts of the southeast with this. It's the remnants of Storm Barbara. And we'll also have some showery outbreaks of rain in the northwest, but in between something drier and brighter. And Dan and Lou still quite mild for the time of year.